Hi my YouTube friends, welcome to my channel Crochet Best. Today I will show you a very beautiful video. In this video you will see very beautiful Croatian long dresses. This dresses is made crochet work. Crochet work is so beautiful work. This work is handwork and so amazing work. I hope you like this work and like this video. In this video you will see me and my grandmother. This video name is Me and My Grandmother. This cloth is wearing every age woman. This dress is made of cotton thread and soft color. This dresses is summer season dresses. This dresses is so beautiful. This beautiful dress is formal. You can wear anytime this dress and enjoy the hot summer season. This cloth is made cotton thread, so it's so comfortable. I hope you enjoy this video. I try my best bring you a good video. So friends, do you have a suggestion for me? Please give me the comments box. I'm waiting your comments. Your comment is very important for me. I'm very happy read your comments. Your comments is very support. Supporting for me. I'm very thankful to my friends who support me and give me a very lovely comments. I'm very thankful to my all friends who like my video and share my videos and support my channel. Thank you very much. Bye, take care.